Hello my dear students, I am your computer teacher. I hope all of you are doing well. Today in this video I have again came up with the last part of the lesson 2 of class 7. In the last video we have already completed discussing the lesson. So here are some important points remaining which I will discuss in this video. So here are some keywords given. Formula is an expression that uses mathematical operators for calculations. Formula is an expression which uses mathematical operators for calculation. Operators means which operates through two numbers like plus, minus, into, divide, etc. Arguments are the data values that are passed to the function for calculations. Arguments are the data values that are passed for functions passed to the function for calculations. Okay. Next, a formula always begins with an equal to sign. We should in MS Excel we should always begin a formula with the equal to sign. Sum function calculates the total of a set of selected numeric values. The sum function calculates the total of the selected numeric values. Average function calculates the average arithmetic mean of the arguments. Average function calculates the average of the arguments. Average means arithmetic mean. If the function starts with a formula, then equal to will be required before the function name. If a function starts with a formula, then equal to must be given before the function name. Autofill allows to quickly enter predefined series of data such as text, numbers or dates in your worksheet. Autofill allows to enter predefined series of data like text, numbers or dates in the worksheet. Sorting data helps you quickly visualize and understand your data better. Organize and find the data that you want and ultimately helps in effective decision making. Sorting data helps in quickly visualize and understand the data in better way and organize and find the data that we want. Okay. Next, filtering allows you to display only data that meets certain criteria. Filtering allows to display only those data which meets the specified criteria. Conditional formatting feature can display cell values in a particular color or with a background depending on the specific condition. Conditional formatting displays the cell values in a particular color or background depending on the specified condition, given condition. Okay students, I hope all of you have understood. The lesson is over. Thank you. I have already given the question answers and exercise part. Okay students, thank you.